A very good morning to all संपर्क members. जैसे कहा जाता है कि कभी भी जब भी कोई नया कार्य वगैरह शुरू करने जाए तो हमेशा गणेश जी की आराधना करनी चाहिए। ठीक उसी प्रकार से आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट माय बिफोर आई स्टार्ट माय परिचय आई वुड लाइक टू thank the gods for their blessings. And if we can just close our eyes and repeat this particular sentence. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Next slide, please. Parichay of Sanjay Nath. I'm an astrologer and Vastu consultant. My personal information. My name is Sanjay Nath. My spouse's name is Ms. Shreya Nath. I have a son who is a BTech from IIT Kharagpur and an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, and a younger daughter who is an MBA from IBS Hyderabad. My place of birth is New Delhi. And my hobbies, I like to listen to music, playing the guitar, skydiving, traveling. Activities or topics of interest. I love to find out new method and methodologies in astrology and Vastu. Personal information. My business name is Vignaharta Kendra, which means put a stop to all your problems. Number of years into business has been over 21 years plus. What does this business provide? It is providing astrological consultation and Vastu for business, residence, townships, shops, etc. My previous jobs or businesses. After completing my engineering, I worked with Escorts Limited in the FES sector, which is known as the farm equipment sector, based at Faridabad. My second job was with Mahindra and Mahindra Limited as a section in charge. My basic education qualification is that I'm a BTech in Agri from Allahabad University in the year 1991, with specialization into the farm mechanization. And I have been trained by the Germans on these particular equipments. My executive program in building competencies in project management from IIM Bangalore, for which I was trained by McKinsey, a business consulting firm. My skills, basically, I'm a fast learner. Social and networks, clubs, organization, or networks associated with the All India Federation of Astrologers Society that is in New Delhi. I'm a proud member of Vardhaman Sampark Varg. An active member in our college in WhatsApp group, associated as a member of Hanuman Mandir at Sadar. Communities or neighborhoods. I held the position of president and treasurer in our building society. My goals. My goal is to become a renowned astrologer and Vastu consultant. This and this alone is my sole objective. I keep dreaming it day in, day out. My three best customers are interior designers and architects, real estate builders, and general public at large. Examples of referral types that work well for me are a strong word of mouth or references. My best 6 complementing business partners are anyone from the age of 5 to 75 years of age, matrimonial people, the jewelers. Now, this is the first 3 are regarding with astrology. But when I talk about Vastu, they are architects and interior designers, builders, real estate consultants, residential flat and factory owners. Customer types I like to have interior designer and architects, real estate builders, and general public at large. माय मेमोरी हुक इज, जब भी हो एस्ट्रोलॉजी या वास्तु की बात, विघ्नहर्ता केंद्र देगा आपका साथ। नमस्कार। थैंक यू।